Our next question is how to modify the selection sort method so that we give the selection sort algorithm the option to sort in ascending and descending order. We can do that by adding a Boolean argument to the method in addition to the array itself. If this Boolean argument is true, it means we want the selection sort to sort in ascending order. And if it is false, we want the selection sort to sort in descending order. Let me show you how to do this in JGrasp. This is the selection sort algorithm. We will add a Boolean argument, and we're going to call this Boolean argument ascending. If it is equal to true, then we want the sorting algorithm to sort in ascending order. Otherwise, we want it to sort in descending order. We have to make some little changes also to the internal method, that is getIndex of smallest. We have to pass this Boolean parameter as also a parameter to this local method. So we need to pass it, and we need to modify also the method by adding here also the Boolean argument, and we are going to call it ascending. Here is where the difference between ascending and descending ordering happening, and here we have to add a condition. This is for ascending, and we need to add one more for greater than for descending. So we will add the following condition. If we are sorting in ascending order and a index is less than minimum, and then we will save it as the minimum element. Or if it is descending, which is ascending is equal false, and a index the opposite, which is greater than minimum, then again we need to save into minimum the a index. So here we have two choices, one for ascending and one for descending. But we have to change the naming here, because if we are sorting in ascending order, we were looking for the minimum on the right hand side of this element. But if we are sorting in descending order, we are looking for the maximum. So therefore we have to change the naming of these variables. We will give it a name min-max. So here I'm going to call it min-max, and here also index of min-max. And in here also we will say that min-max, and here we have also min-max. Also on the condition we have to change min-max, and for the condition here also min-max. It is a long line, so we are going to break it into two lines. And finally, the return value should be index of min-max. So it depends if we are ordering in descending order or ascending order. If we are ordering in ascending order, so we look for the minimum. If we are ordering in descending order, we are looking for the maximum. We will change also the name of the method. Instead of saying getIndex of smallest, we will just say getIndex of next element. Next element. And we have to use this method name inside the selection sort algorithm. So we will go inside, and now we will change it, and we will call it getIndex of next element. Also we will change the index of next smallest. We are going to call it index of next is enough, and here we need to change also this variable, and we are going to call it index of next, and here we are going to call it index of next. And we think that we have made the necessary changes to the algorithm. Now is the time to save it and compile it. So it does not have any errors, so we need to check whether it performs correctly or not by writing a testing program to this selection sort. Here is a small program for testing the new selection sort method. Array1 is a randomly generated list with 10 integers. Each integer is of exactly 2 digits. First, we are going to call the method asking to sort the array in ascending order. So we write sorting dot selection sort. We give the array as an input parameter, and we say true for the ordering type. So true means in ascending order. And this code is for printing. So run the program to see the result. So as you see that the elements are sorted in ascending order. Let us run the program, but this time we are asking for descending ordering. We run it now. And as you see now, the numbers are sorted in descending order. Now, what if we want to make this ordering optional? In other words, if we don't specify it, then we assume by default we want the selection sort to sort the array elements in ascending order. In this case, you have to provide two definitions for the same method, overloading. One with the optional ordering, the other one without the optional ordering. Let us go to the definition for the selection sort. Let us make a new signature for the method. This is overloading. And we will ignore the other argument. And we are going to call this method by providing a true for the ordering. So here we provide the input parameter received from the first method, and we supply a true as a second parameter to tell the selection sort, the second selection sort method, we want to sort the elements in ascending order. So we have two definitions now, one with the optional ascending and descending ordering, and the other one without the optional ordering. So let us check. We save it, we compile it, the new class, and we go for our testing program. Let us just simply ignore the ordering. So when we run the program now, so as you see that the array is sorted in ascending order.